Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, so it will record. Okay, it will record afterwards. After once you done means you can click on pause and you can upload it in a YouTube channel. Okay, yeah, now I'm going to do the activity. I'm going to show you how to do that in a how to create an application. Okay, so here this is the same environment which we used in the trial class, right? Yeah, so for designing, so we know the purpose of our application, right? So now we need to design our application. For that you need to click on the design option first. Yeah, color, we changed the color, right? Today we are going to create an application here. Okay, yeah, so here these are all the components. Do you remember, from the design toolbox you can select your component? Okay, here, so Rudra, are you listening? You need to answer me. Okay, you need to give response. Yeah, so here if you want to type, if you want to display something in your screen means you can make use of a label. Okay, can you see a ABC over here? So I'm just dragging the label and keep it in the screen. Okay, now in the right side there are some properties. So what is the ID of this label means it is label 1. Okay, Rudra. Yeah, here I'm making the text as if the user needs to enter their age means how they get to know what they need to enter there. So we are giving instruction for that. Okay, enter your age, whatever be the text, whatever I am typing in the text box, it is reflecting on the label. Can you see that? Yeah, so here I'm making the width as 200. Okay, sorry, I'm making the width as 200 and I'm making the height as 25. Yeah, likewise you can do any changes. Okay, you can set the properties over there. So I'm making the text color as something like pink. Okay, can you see the difference? Yeah, let me make it as a red. Can you see the difference in the mobile screen? Okay, so here I'm making the font size as 20. Okay, now your age is not visible, right? Then you need to increase the width of the label, then it will be visible. Okay, likewise you can change. Yeah, you can drag it. Okay, now I'm done. Okay, so whenever the user is seeing enter your age, they will be entering their age, right? Correct? Yeah, no, now we need to give a, so where the user will input their age, where they can do it. Is there any option over here? No. Yeah, so here you need to bring a text input 1. So the user is going to enter the age as an input in this application, correct? No, we can't see that, right? You need to code it first. Do you get me? You need to code it? Yeah, so yeah. Sorry, I didn't get you. Which thing? Yeah, you can see it. You are designing it, right? Yeah, you can see that because this is this is your application, right? You are designing it. So here, so don't worry, okay? So here there is a text input box, okay? In this box, the user is going to enter the text. What is the text? It is nothing but their age, okay? If they are inputting 13 means you need to calculate their age in hours, okay? That's the meaning, okay, dear? So don't get confused, okay? So when I click on the text input, it will give me the properties of the text input. Can you see this? What is the ID of here? ID, it is text input 1. So you can change the properties of this one. So I am making the text as 25 here, okay? 20 here, okay? Okay, now I'm again bring a label. I'm just dragging a label. So what the label will do? Tell me. Yeah, the label. Here there's a label. I'm just dragging a label and I'm keeping it in the screen. But if you want to display some text in your application means you can go for a label. Okay. Zoom out. Okay. zoom out, zoom in or zoom out? Is it smaller? Zoomed in. Sorry. Okay. Done. Okay. Now it's fine. Okay. Now what is the ID of the label? When you click on the ID, when you click on the label, you can see the ID here. What is the label's ID now? It is label 2. Correct? So what is the ID of this one? It is label 1. This one. So you can, so now it is label 2, right? So I am making the text as your age, okay? You are, okay? Now I want this, okay? You are, so I am making the width as 150 and height as 25, and I want the text color as some red color, okay? Okay. Now I'm just changing the font size. Font size is nothing but the text which is inside the label, correct? Yeah. Now again I'm going to bring another label, okay? So I'm keeping the label over here, okay? Once I click on the label, it will give me the label's properties. What is the label ID? Label 3. So it is label 3. This is label 1, this is label 2, and now this is label 3. So I'm making the text as in hours, okay? So where you will display the output? Where you need to display the output? Tell me. In the screen, correct? In the screen you need to display the output, okay? So let me change this one. Give me a minute. Yeah. So 20. Then I'm making the font size as 20 over here, okay? Yeah. So now I'm keeping it here. Okay. Now I'm designing, okay? So here I want the text color as red color. I'm keeping all the text color as red one, okay? Yeah. No. If you click run, nothing will happen. Why? We didn't give any code, right? Coding is the most important part. Okay? Yeah. Now I am Rudra, in this place I'm going to display the output. Okay? The whatever the user is inputting here, I need to calculate their age in hours, and I'm going to display their age over here. Okay? For that, what I'm doing, I'm bringing another label and I'm keeping it here. Okay? So what is the label ID? So now I just want to display the output over here. So I am making the text as a blank one. Okay? Hello? Do you get me? Okay. So I am making the height as also 150. Blank, because we need to display the user's output, right? Whatever the user's age, you need to calculate that in hours and you need to display it in here. That's why, okay? Okay, if you keep some text means it won't be a good one. It would not look like a good one, right? That's why I kept it as a blank one. Okay? Okay, now here I need a button. Okay? Whenever the user is entering his age here, after that the user needs to click on the button, then only it will calculate the age in here, hours, okay? So I'm making the text as a calculate age, okay? Do you see that it is reflected over here? Yeah. So I'm making the width as 150, okay? So I'm changing the color as a red one. I'm keeping everything in my, now it is red color, right? Yeah. So Rudra, the design part is over, okay? Now we are going to code our application, okay? So here in this area, we are going to display the output. So can you, okay, so can you please tell me what is the ID of the label which we left as a blank one? It is label 4, right? Keep in mind, okay? Now, so now let me close this one, okay? I'm going to stop